Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is all about how to make this orange midnight moon in Procreate. Yes, you are right. You can create this tutorial in your iPad by using app Procreate. Trust me guys, it's super easy. You have to just stay with me till the end of this tutorial and share your work with me on Instagram. And do tag me. I just love to see how your work is. So stay tuned, stay with me with the last of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new and support me with your like and comment. So before wasting any further time, let's get started. Here, first thing, I'm going to select my screen size, which is available 1640 by 2360 pixels. Now with your two finger, just pinch in and adjust your screen size. I will go to palette here, which is on the right corner, upper corner, and I have already selected my color palette. So you can choose according to yours. What you think the color you want is nice, you can select it. So the first color I'm going to select for my background is dark charcoal gray color, or you can say it's dark charcoal color. I'm just going to drag and drop on my screen. So this is my dark charcoal background color. Now we'll select a new layer. For that you need to select this double square here and select the plus sign. That way you have created a new layer. Now to create a moon, we are going to select a light color, light shade of orange, and the brush I'm going to select is from calligraphy monoline brush. The opacity I'm going to use is 100, and the brush size I'm going to use is 9. It doesn't matter, whatever brush size it is, you can choose. Once that is done, let's create a moon. Just create a circle, and with your index finger just keep one tap on the screen. You will get a perfect circle. Now just drag and drop this orange color in this circle. To adjust the size of this circle, if you feel it is too short, too big, or to place the circle perfect in the screen, you can use the help. You can take the help of this arrow. With the arrow, you can just increase or decrease the size as per your wish, and you can also just adjust the moon wherever you want on the screen. And just to come out of it, select the arrow again. Now once this is done, we need to give some effect on the upper layer of this moon. For that we will create a new layer. Again, select the box or the square shape, select plus. Now select clipping mask. We are using clipping mask here because we just want to give some shading effect on the moon and not on the background. Clipping mask on this moon will allow you to only give shades or effects only on the moon, and it won't come out of the moon or spread in your background. So now for this, we are on the latest layer, which is clipping mask layer. The color I'm going to select here is second color of orange, which is little bit darker than the previous color of orange. The brush I'm going to use is from the texture. The brush I'm going to use is Kura Wong. Opacity I'm going to use here is 51, and the brush size I'm gonna use is 20. Now let's just give some nice effect on our moon. If you feel it's too much, you can always select undo and redo and give the shape according to you want. Now once I feel like this effect is perfect for my moon, I'm going to select a little darker shade than the previous one. Opacity I'm gonna use here a little bit lower, which is 29%. Now just give this nice effect everywhere. Another color of orange from my palette I'm going to use, just going to give the same effect. Now just keep the same color, take the another color of orange. We are going to use the brush from Organic, which is Rainforest. Opacity I'm going to use is here 77%. Brush size I'm gonna keep here 10%. Now just tap little bit on your moon to make few surfaces darker, just like this. Perfect. Now I feel like my moon is almost complete. Now we want to give some shadow effect behind the moon, like the moon is glowing and it's throwing some light out of its background. So for this we will first select the layer 2, which is the plain background color of the moon. We are going to duplicate this layer, then go on the previous layer. From this tab of adjustment on the upper side, we are going to select the Gaussian blur, select layer, and just swipe with your pencil towards right and increase the percentage of that layer, just like this. So the percentage I'm going to use here, let's say keep it 25. To come out of it, select the same again. Now you can see the moon is almost ready. The background is set. The moon is glowing and throwing those orange flashy lights around it from the back, from the shadow of it. Now let's create some trees. Now for this I feel like my background is a little bit dark, so no, I think it's perfect. So for this now I'm going to make trees around it. For that trees, go on the latest layer, create another layer by clicking on the plus sign. I'm going to select the color as black. Now I already have and created my stamp brush of trees, pine long tree, so I'm not going to create, it's just saving my time to create each and every trees now and then. So once I made the pine tree and I created that as my stamp brush, so I don't have to make again and again the tree. I'm just going to use those brush. So if you want me to make the tutorial how to make your own stamp brush or own stamp brush of pine tree, then comment below. I will create a new tutorial for you. So now I'm going to keep the opacity as 100%. Brush size I'm going to use is 100%. Now let's create a tree. Just one tap and the tree is there. See, I told you it's super easy. Now you can just adjust the size of the tree however you want it. If I feel the trees are like very big or something, I adjust it accordingly. So you can see, even sometimes for the perfect thing you have to undo, redo till you get the perfect thing. So I think this is now perfect for me. So this is looking so perfect. The trees are done. Now I feel like I want some clouds over here. For that, again we'll create a new layer. I'm going to select white color. The brush I'm going to use is from the texture. Let's use the different brush. I'm going to use the brush is from organic rainforest brush. The opacity of the brush I'm going to keep is 60%, 60 or 61%. The clouds I'm going to use is 11%. Now just make some clouds over here. You can just make the way you want it. Just tap and create those beautiful clouds. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys, if you love this tutorial, and support me with your like and comment. So I think the background effect of the clouds are pretty much done and it's looking so beautiful. Now let's just increase the opacity to 90% and just tap to give some more nice effect of the clouds here. That way your few clouds are just looking nice. Alright, so pretty much everything is done for me. I think the moon is perfect. The shades and the effects of it is super amazing. The clouds are looking so nice. The trees are pretty much awesome. So this is, here you have done the drawing. Congratulations guys, you have done this amazing work and completed this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope that your moon maybe, or I'm pretty much sure your moon is looking so nice or maybe so beautiful than me. So yeah, here we have completed the video. This you can set it as your iPad wallpaper or you can use this as any other wallpaper. I'm 100% sure every single person is going to love this. Share your work with the other people. Tag me on the Instagram if you like my work and stay tuned for more videos.